Well, hi. Just an update on my rain gutter watering system, courtesy of Larry Hall of Minnesota. There's my beetroot, as you can see, growing profusely. 2 tubs of carrot there, doing very nice. 2 tubs of turnip. I'll have to thin as they're coming up. But look at the tomatoes. Wow. These were planted not quite 3 weeks ago, 2 inches tall, and I've got flowers. I've got flowers on them already, right in there. So they're coming fine, and this is my cukes. I put 4 in this pot to test it and 3 in that one, and we'll see how this goes. So she's looking well. Thanks, Larry. And today I'm also going to feed my worms. You heard it, worms. I'm going to try our little worm farm here. I had this old tub, and I put in 24 big red wrigglers. You can see them there diving down. Yep, the guys don't like the light. So it's just the compost coming out the kitchen there. Bits of cardboard soaking wet. Bread. So that's the worms fed, and I found by putting this little cover on here, it keeps it moist. You don't want it to dry out, and you don't want it to be soaking wet. Sort of wet like a sponge, wet sponge. And any excess water is allowed to drain through, and it'll come down through the spout and in here. And this is nearly full already. So any rain we get, it filters through and it comes out there. And I'll use that as compost tea. So there you go.